Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Disney Plus on Fire TV Stick. Quick guide step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your Fire TV Stick. Make sure your Fire TV Stick is connected to your TV and Wi-Fi. Navigate to the search function from the home screen. Use the on-screen keyboard to type Disney Plus. Select the Disney Plus app from the search results. Click on the Get or Download button to install the app. Once installed, open the Disney Plus app. You will be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, choose to sign in. Enter your email address and password. If you don't have an account, select the option to create one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the account setup. After signing in, you may be asked to activate your device. Take note of the activation code displayed on the screen. Using a computer or mobile device, go to the provided activation website. Enter the activation code in the specified field. Follow any additional prompts to link your Fire TV Stick to your account. Once activated, return to your Fire TV Stick. You should now be able to access the Disney Plus content. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.